I think you managed to elicit the requirements from them.
Because the client is about at least I think when I started off 15-year-old, so by then I had done a few projects with them. This
Yeah.
was like the 7th, 8th, 9th project
So
with
you
them.
were familiar
so
with their
I knew what they're saying, just that one line that I
Yeah.
knew it.
But you know, this one line is where we want to come in, and
One
this
line
is
is where we want to come in. I
Yeah.
really want to address it to small business houses, production people, business
That's the
owners.
workshop that we are talking about.
That's the workshop.
Yeah.
Business owners, especially.
This client profile generally is confused how to communicate their requirements. Sometimes they can't articulate either their plans or the image that they want to project, isn't
Yes,
it?
yes.
So what the workshop that you're designing is your way of giving back to the industry.
Is
Yeah.
Exactly, because what happens is they are spending the money.
Right.
They are ready to spend the money,
Yes.
but they don't know what they want.
So I think with what you're going to do, the short workshop, this
I
is
want
one
to
of the pain
explain
points.
about something
Yeah.
about.
Yeah.
They might already have their branding.
Yes.
So how their branding will work for them,
Yes.
and whenever they're designing something, what they need to keep in mind
Yes.
is what a simple
Yeah.
thing I want to
Yeah.
do, but it will really enhance the work of a designer and the quality that they will get.
And you know, so if you're a product manufacturer, if you're a startup, or if you're looking at changing your branding, any kind of design work that you require, I think this workshop is going to be very, very useful. It's going to help you gain clarity when you're talking to a design professional. And like Laju said, not only communicating your requirements, but also at the approval stage, understanding how to approve. And that's where the expertise comes in. What an absolute wonderful conversation with my friend Laju Adalja of BBFM Design. And you remember, bigger, better, faster, more.